sweeties, it's Sarah. Today I opened up the Jeffree Star Alien palette for the first time ever today, and I put this quick sci-fi alien look together. I feel very intergalactic and dangerous with all these smoky greens and purples and bright yellows. If you want to see me blast off into this palette, keep on watching. I've already done my base. Right now I have my foundation, concealer, and some setting powder under my eyes to catch any fallouts. First up, I'm going to go in with this color right here called Abduction. Alright, and just to blend this shade out on the edges, I'm going to go in with Titan, this like light nude shade right here. So now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Flying Saucer. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with this purple right here called Area 51. I feel like these colors definitely do take a lot more finessing and blending than other eyeshadows I've tried. I'm finding it a little bit tricky to get the colors to look how I want, but it's slowly getting there. So now I'm just going to cut the crease with some Tarte Shape Tape. Then on the inner corner of my crease, I'm going to put this light shade right here called Pluto. And then with my finger, I just sort of put down some of that metallic alien shade on my eyelid. And then to sort of connect it to the purple that's on the end, I'm just putting down this shade right here called Probe. Take this shade down here called Black Hole, and I'm going to put that in the very corner just to sort of close everything off and darken everything up on the ends. Alright, and then I'm just going to take the Area 51 purple shade right here, and I'm going to put that all along my lower lash line. And I'm just going to blend out the purple with this shade right here called Gravity. Alright, so now I'm going to take this NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. This is in the yellow shade right here. And I'm going to do a quick little cat eye. So off camera, I just put on some wispy eyelashes, and these are still drying a little bit. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm just going to start contouring. Alright, so I just put some green color in my waterline. I used a Lime Crime lipstick in the shade Alien, pretty ironically, I'd say. But I think it just adds a nice little touch of color. For my highlight, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Jeffree. Insane. I need to tone that down a little bit. Now for my lips today, I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star Holiday Collection. This is the shade Karma. Once the lipstick is mostly dried down, I'm going in with, I believe this is the Alchemist Highlighting Holographic Palette from Kat Von D. I'm going to go in with the shade Green Emerald right here in the corner, and I'm just going to like pat that onto my lip to add like a little bit of like a metallic green shine to it. You kind of want it to match the intensity of the eyes. And try to keep the brightness concentrated towards the center because it creates an illusion of like your lips being bigger and kind of more pouty. I was immediately drawn to this palette's unique color story. I feel like it's unlike anything I've ever seen before. There's a really good combination of wild colors, soft neutrals, mattes, and metallic shades. I feel like there's definitely something for everyone in this palette. For me personally, I used a Morphe eyeshadow primer prior to the eyeshadow application, and I was having a little bit of trouble with the blending and the overall pigmentation of the colors, but I feel like you really have to pack the colors on to get them true to themselves. I believe that Jeffree did say that some of the shades are actually pressed pigments, which do operate differently from regular eyeshadows. But overall, I really do love this palette and I see myself using it very often, but to me it's definitely more of an artistry palette. I would definitely recommend this to other makeup artists who love to play with color and aren't really afraid to pack it on. Next time you guys see me, I will be swatching the Nude Collection Volume 2 for you guys. But until then, stay tuned for more makeup and madness.